Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Instagram highlights in less than 5 minutes using the app Procreate. Start off with some color inspiration by looking for objects around your house, plants, textures, patterns, food, nature, or my personal favorite, animals. Open up the Procreate app and select the plus sign in the top right-hand corner, then select the square option. From there, you'll go to the wrench icon and select Add Photo. This is where you can insert your own inspo photo. I'm using one for my wedding as it has a lot of natural colors that fit with my personal branding. Go ahead and select a background color. I'm going to be finding colors from the photo that I added. You can do this by selecting the square icon on the left-hand side where you adjust the thickness and opacity. Once that's selected, you can hover anywhere and find new colors. Then I'm going to be creating various lines and shapes in 3 different colors for my photo, and 3 different textures and thicknesses as well. You can even use the liquify button in the effects tab to transform your creation even more. So save your fresh art and head over to Instagram. From your Instagram profile, select your highlight, edit the cover, and select the most recent photo. To create different highlight covers with one photo, zoom into a random section on each highlight. This will give the illusion of multiple highlights using only one photo. And you're done! You just learned how to create Instagram highlights in less than 5 minutes.